Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe it. The time is nearly here. The day I'm filming this, about a week and a half away from when I will be on the way to Italy on my Italy trip. And I will be doing a whole segment. I plan on filming a healthy amount of the trip. So at least a couple of videos of me there. We'll see how I do. Meow! Kitkat says hi. Anyway, so I plan on filming while I'm there, and I am doing this video right now to show you how I'm packing for Italy. I'm way ahead. I always try to jump the gun on packing because it makes it easier for me to take things away by the time I get to the point of, okay, this is it. This is what I'm taking. So I tend to overpack and then slowly but surely unpack, thinking, okay, I don't really need this, that kind of a thing. Borderline OCD, yes, absolutely. There is room for that. But I'm going to show you how I'm preparing, and I'm so excited. So let's take a look. Oh, the Mayo belly. You just love your belly rubs, huh? Why are you so cute? All right. The suitcase. The backpack suitcase is here. I got this for $50 at Target. It was in store. I loved it and I said, don't mind if I do. So a lot of travel backpacks can be really expensive. There was one I was looking at. Oh my gosh, it was expensive. Almost $200. I don't know. That was very hard for me to fathom. Like, I understand like actual luggage, like with the handle and everything, but for a backpack, that was a little crazy. I'm pretty sure this is a 35-liter backpack. I am going to be gone for a total of 15 days, including travel and stuff, but I have to fit at least, I'm trying to get a few different outfits in this backpack, as well as leave room for makeup, toiletries, etc. So far, I've been doing a really good job. I haven't packed my makeup yet. I don't plan on bringing a lot of it, just like very basic makeup, kind of like what I'm wearing right now, not going overboard with it, especially since it's gonna be super hot and I'm gonna sweat it off anyway. Okay, let's check out the outfits. I'm so excited. So we'll start here. I'm only taking one pair of sunglasses. I'm taking a hat to get the sun off of me as much as possible for like cities and stuff like that. I'm taking 2 pairs of shoes. These are the bulkier shoes, so I will more than likely be wearing those around the airport and on and off the planes. These are super lightweight, so they'll be really nice for when we're hiking and stuff. The Birkenstocks I am taking so I can wear those around the cities and be super comfy, have some cooler footwear, and they're also super cute. All right, have a lot of versatile tops. I didn't want to do too much workout clothes. Walking around in yoga pants, etc. is kind of an American thing to do. From what I've read and heard, Italy is a little bit, not formal, but a bit more tailored, put together. I kind of wanted to gravitate towards that in my wardrobe setup. I might bring 1 pair of yoga pants just so that I have it for flights to be very comfortable. We have a couple of hikes planned. I want to have something to wear around in hikes. The biggest thing is it's going to be very, very warm. So we have a lot of warm weather clothes. I hate how these are already getting wrinkly. That's going to be a pain, but it's okay. We'll deal with that when we get there. A lot of these are very light, airy clothing. This skirt is going to be so nice walking around cities. The thing about walking around cities is if we happen to decide to go into a church, our shoulders have to be covered and our knees have to be covered. Otherwise, you can't go in. That's why I have the long pants and the skirt for days that I know for a fact we will be going inside churches. That way I will be dressed appropriately. And I have a couple of short sleeve shirts that I will wear on those days as well. Planning ahead, it's great. Then for like our day in Pompeii, I have some shorts that will be nice and comfy. What I did with the tops is I picked very neutral colors to go with everything. I did get this dress specifically for Italy. I know, my love. I really do know. I know you want to go, and I know you're mad that I'm going. I love you, and you're my favorite. You're amazing.
You'll be okay. You have people looking after you.
Anyway, yes, there you have it. All of that is going in there. I already have my PJs in there. Nothing fancy, just shorts and a shirt. This will be my makeup bag and whatever toiletries I can fit in there. I probably won't take this entire thing in here because I have like a little pocket right here filled with stuff. Anyway, I'm going to load up the backpack. You'll see how it all fits. I'm actually going to test out how heavy it is. Gonna go get started. I'll see you in a second. So I left these things out just because I will more than likely be carrying those and or wearing them in the airport. But this is how I have my backpack suitcase set up so far. Plenty of room to add makeup and stuff like that. It's still very much a work in progress. Luckily, I have enough time to make final decisions, final cuts. Everything does fit really nicely so far. I don't plan on doing a lot of souvenir shopping while I'm there. I have to keep in mind, how am I going to get it back in a carry-on bag? I think I will have enough room to bring stuff home, just not a lot of big bulky things. And I also have to keep in mind that I'm not going to want to carry that around everywhere I go too. For the most part, like I said, I feel like I have a very strong start. Oh, it just feels so real. It's so exciting. Working on zipping her up, and let's see, I'm gonna close it. Oh, look at that. Now in here, I don't have anything in there yet. Okay, good to know. In here so far are just my chargers. I have a little portable charger here. My friend Lena is also bringing one, so we should be good on that. This thing is amazing. Audrey introduced me to this. It's perfect for the trip. You plug it into the wall. This charges your phone, props it up. This charges your AirPods. This is the Apple Watch charger, so I can charge my Apple Watch. It's so cool. Look how it folds up, so compact. What? This thing is amazing. I got it on Amazon. It is absolutely perfect for a trip like this. I also got a European outlet adapter converter thing. I got a couple different ones. This one I believe is specifically for Italy. This one should be for Europe in general, which I will be in Spain for one night and then obviously Italy for most of the trip. I got this on Amazon as well, ready to go to take care of my devices. Woohoo! In this little pouch, I will be having those notebooks. My National Geographic Guide to Italy. I will have, oh my gosh, I'm not even bringing my planner, which is the one on the bottom. I can't believe that I might only be taking 2 books with me. That's crazy. I will have that little leather-bound black notebook. Fun facts, that is a Juniper product. Juniper gave it to the SML crew, part of like a goodie bag box thing that they gave us. And I absolutely love mine. So Juniper, if you're watching, it is my dedicated travel notebook. I have all my notes from the start of planning this trip. I plan on journaling the entire trip while I'm there, putting it to good use. Oh my God, it's so amazing. And I love it. So thank you guys. But they will be going in here. I have my purse over there and we'll take a look at that. So obviously I will be needing a mask. I will be needing a passport. I'll be needing my proof of vaccination, whether it's in my backpack or my purse. I will have it on my person. Yeah, this is so cute. I got this at TJ Maxx. Shocker, I know. Inside it is like documents, passport, little tabs and stuff. So like I can put my airplane tickets right here. I think I have a tab for receipts, which is super convenient. And then I got my Relax I'm Vaxxed card holder. I love it. All right. All zipped up, and look at this. I can carry it like this, or hey, that's not too heavy actually. I mean, I still have to add makeup, but if that's the most I'm adding, I can't imagine it being much heavier than this. It's buckled on both sides, which tells me that I have plenty of room to go if I need to add souvenirs. But as of right now, I'm ready to go, and this is so cool. Oh my gosh, guys, this doesn't feel real. I never thought I would be, I've always imagined myself traveling the world, but I've never thought I would be a backpacking kind of gal. Only taking a backpack for 2 weeks is I thought I was too much of a pack rat. There's no way I'm going to be able to manage this. And I just feel super confident, super comfortable in just this. And what's going to be so nice is not having to deal with a million different bags. It's going to be so good just because it's that much less to keep an eye on. It's surprisingly light. I thought it was going to be a lot worse with a pair of shoes in there. Crazy. Also going to, help me exercise a little bit of self-control of not buying every single thing I see and be like, oh my God, I have to take this. Just focus on living in the moment, enjoying it. That will be the challenge with days, okay, I would like to film this, or days where I'm like, live in the moment, be present, enjoy this, because I don't know the next time I will be in Italy. It's also very important that I share this with you guys because I would love to start doing travel vlogs, and if you guys enjoy them, please let me know. I'm so excited to go on this adventure, guys, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I guess I'll see you on the other side. I love you guys so much. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay bright. Thank you for everything that you do and all the positivity, all the support. I am overjoyed. My heart is overflowing with love and appreciation for you guys. I will see you soon. Bye.